The mystery, still unsolved. Imagine boarding a ship or plane only to vanish into thin air. No wreckage, no distress call, no survivors, just gone. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, a region so infamous it's been called the Devil's Triangle. But here's the real question. Why are people still disappearing there today? Where is the Bermuda Triangle? The Bermuda Triangle is a vast area in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, roughly shaped like a triangle between Miami, Florida, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. It's one of the most heavily traveled shipping lanes in the world, yet it holds a terrifying reputation. Over 1,000 ships and planes have vanished under mysterious circumstances. The first recorded disappearance. It started with Flight 19 in 1945. 5 U.S. Navy bombers went out on a routine training flight and never returned. A rescue plane sent to find them also disappeared. The Navy's final report? Cause unknown. This triggered decades of speculation, and more vanishings followed. Theories that will give you chilled. What could be behind the disappearances? Methane gas eruptions from the ocean floor that cause ships to sink instantly. Magnetic anomalies that mess with navigation systems. Sudden storms and rogue waves rising over 100 feet tall. And even theories involving time warps, UFOs, and underwater alien bases. As wild as they sound, the area does show real magnetic irregularities, making compasses spin wildly. Modern cases. You probably haven't heard about Think the mystery is all in the past? Think again. In 2005, a cargo ship named El Faro vanished with 33 people aboard. No Mayday signal, just gone. Only later was the wreckage found at the ocean bottom. In 2018, a small private plane disappeared mid-flight between Puerto Rico and Florida with 4 passengers, including a 2-year-old. No explanation has ever been given. These are not just stories from the 1900s. People are still vanishing today. Strange survivor stories. Some people lived to tell the tale. They describe sudden loss of instruments, electronic fog, where everything goes silent and gray. Time distortion, where flights take longer or shorter than they should, and a sensation of being pulled off course by an invisible force. While hard to prove, these accounts are eerily similar and deeply unsettling. Is the Bermuda Triangle really different? Skeptics argue that the number of disappearances is not unusually high for such a busy region. They blame human error, weather, or poor maintenance. But then why do so many incidents in the triangle defy logic? Why so many radio blackouts, sudden vanishing acts, and no distress calls? Even the US government has no official explanation, which only deepens the mystery. The truth or a distraction? Is the Bermuda Triangle just a myth blown out of proportion by the media? Or is it a real-world portal to the unknown? Some researchers believe the truth lies somewhere in between, a mix of unusual geography, magnetic oddities, violent weather, and human fascination with mystery. But one fact remains. People still disappear there, and we still don't know why. Should you stay away? Would you dare fly or sail through the Bermuda Triangle? Or is the thrill of the unknown too tempting? Because whether it's science, superstition, or something beyond our understanding, the Bermuda Triangle continues to challenge what we think we know about our world. And maybe, just maybe, that's why we can't stop watching.